What's good, y'all? It's been a little minute since we did a hair video. But yeah, if y'all want to learn how to get short 4C curls, keep watching. You could get your hair from this to this. So stay tuned. So the products we will be using in this video is the Meal Leave-In Conditioner, the Meal Curl Smoothie, and the Meal Mango and 2C Nourishment Shampoo, or Nourishing Shampoo, yeah, 3 times in a row. The Wetline Extreme Gel, the best gel, this isn't sponsored. And then water. It has conditioner in it if y'all ain't know, but yeah, water. All the products will be listed in the description below. Use my affiliate link. I should have been using that, but yes, use my affiliate link.
What's good, y'all? What's good? Lee Arthur back with another hair tutorial. Oh my. Yeah, it's been a little minute, and you know, I don't know if y'all know, but soon I'm gonna cut my hair, you know, all this gonna finally go away. But I'm here with David. He got 4C hair. Unlike last year when I did it on my other friend, he actually didn't have 4C hair, and some of y'all said that in the comments. So we gonna do how to get curls for short 4C hair. Cause you feel me, we did 4C already, but like, I guess my hair was considered long. So we gonna do short 4C hair. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get straight into this video. Alright, but yeah, first we're gonna be using Meal shampoo, honey, and tulsi. So yeah, Meal shampoo, y'all. I'll leave all the products in the description below, you feel me? Use my affiliate link. I should have been doing that from the beginning, but yeah, we're about to shampoo his hair.
And yeah, so before he shampoos, I guess you could say I want to make his hair a little more breathable, so I lift the roots up a little bit, you know, put a little conditioner in and all that. But yeah, lift up the roots so it's more breathable, so that when he's shampooing, he can get to his scalp easier and get all the dirt and buildup.
Alright, so next we're gonna deep condition his hair. So you feel me? I'm sure he's never done that before. A lot of people haven't done that before, but little do y'all know that deep conditioning actually helps strengthen your curls. It increases curl potential. It also helps with growth and just overall keeping your hair healthy. So yeah, deep condition your hair probably about every wash day. However many times you do your wash day, some people it's once a week. Me personally, it's probably like 1 or 2 times a month. But yeah, just make sure to deep condition my hair.
Again, making his scalp more breathable.
Next, deep conditioning your hair. So you feel me? We've picked it out about as much as we can to show them. So yeah, now we're gonna do what we do when we deep condition. He has low porosity hair, I'm pretty sure, so I'm gonna just put this on his head. Alright, and then we're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes, you know. Low porosity hair, high porosity hair. Y'all wanna know how to figure out your porosity types.
So real quick, if you want to learn how to check your hair porosity, just get a glass of water, fill it up, you feel me? Then get like a piece of hair, I guess you could say, from your detangling tool from your hair itself. Just get a piece of your hair, put it in the water, and let it sit for about, I think, 2 to 5 minutes. Then after that, this little chart I put up on the screen should tell you which one it is. And then from there on, that's how you figure out what to do with your hair on wash days. So because he has high porosity, we make him blow dry his hair while it's in the shower cap. And no, I was not touching my dick, please.
If you like it, we're giving him stitches. Alright, y'all. So it's been about 30 minutes, you feel me? Now we're about to get the curls for the girls. So David right here is 10 years old. School starts in about 2 days, you feel me?
And over here, we're raking our fingers through his hair. Again, we want his hair to be breathable, and this will increase the curl potential.
So as you can see, for him, his hair is too short for the shake method. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take the gel. Now to prevent buildup, we try not to use too much, but you do want to use a lot.
You can see I'm working in like a small section. You can choose to make your sections bigger, but you know, I like to do it smaller.
Ooh, just like that. There's a little bit of curls
So yeah, obviously it's not gonna be like some mixed big light skin curls, but they are a little smaller. So yeah, same thing right here. One more time for y'all to see. So add the water, obviously, the gel, and then pick it out a little bit with the comb, of course. I'm not gonna lie, I did put a little bit too much right here, so feel me. Like I said, y'all gotta be careful doing this. Alright y'all, again, I've said this in previous videos, but again, we're finna mix the curl smoothie with the gel to make it a faster process. I used to do it one by one and I realized it low-key made me take like an extra 30 minutes altogether. But you feel me, we're just finna mix it, so yeah. So during this process, because his hair is short, you'll probably need to add some finger coils in just to make it pop a little bit. Now these are shorter curls, obviously. Obviously you're not finna get them super defined. Let me see the back, come on. Obviously they're not finna be super defined, but you feel me, it's better than what he had before. What I'm doing with my hands right here is to help his curls pop. His hair is too short to shake, so you know, we do this instead. Yeah, show them the curls, be closer. No, tilt your head down so they can see your hair. Yeah, it's little curls, and I'm adding some finger coils to it to help define the hair. I'll show you all that. And now finally, to make his curls pop, we add as much finger coils as we can. And for those of you who are wondering what haircut he has and how long he's been growing it, he has I think he has a mid or low taper fade, and then he has been growing his hair out for about 9 months. He said 4 or 5, but I'm pretty sure it's 9 months. He cut it down, but I think this is like 9 months length. Terrible fit.
What?
It's like, wait, put your head down. Alright, y'all. We're gonna wash some of the stuff out, so.
And then my second day of school is gonna be like a Los Angeles, yeah. And then it says legends always live on the bottom because Black Panther died.
I'm gonna be so honest with you, that's a terrible fit.
And then I'm gonna wear light blue jeans and Air Forces. How does that look?
Terrible fit.
I'll send you the pic.
Please don't. I don't wanna. I'm just trolling for the camera. Alright, let's wash it out. Alright, show them people. How you feel? Good. So yeah, this is 4C short hair, you feel me? For the finishing touches, we are gonna add some more gel. It still does have a little white in it, but you know, once it dries up, it does go away. And obviously, you know, you have to lightly wash it to prevent buildup. But yeah, obviously if I'm doing anything wrong that y'all see, let me know in the comment section. You know, I learn from my own mistakes, and obviously I watch other people too. It looks pretty curly to me. Yeah, now we're just gonna let it dry. Shake it in. It's like I'm slapping you. So here's the before, and then here's the after. So yeah, I went from complete afro to short curls. The back surprisingly was a lot more defined than I thought it would be, especially since I didn't work as much on there as I did the front, but hey, it looks kind of good, I ain't gonna lie. Thank y'all so much. We're at 25K now, 1/4 of the way to 100K, you feel me? So let's get there soon. But yeah, let me know what type of videos y'all want to see in the comment sections. Alright, you gotta eat the camera. Like actually bite the lens.
Alright.
Wait, don't be scared. If y'all don't already know, I'm finna cut my hair off soon. So I'm doing one last hair Q&A for y'all. I'm gonna answer all y'all questions, so y'all ask in the comment section down below. I'm gonna mostly answer questions from my Instagram, so make sure y'all follow me on there. I'm gonna do it on TikTok, YouTube posts too. Don't worry though, I'm finna regrow my hair back out and document it so y'all will still get hair videos. Make sure y'all like before y'all leave. God bless y'all and have a good day.
Ay, most of these niggas capping, they ain't living how they say they is. They don't check up on me, but they praying that I make it big. Take a risk, it be hard to win, cause the game is rigged. They be doing all that dig around, come out the closet, nigga. Every time I'm coming out the crib, I got deposits with me. I'ma turn it up on everybody, ain't wanna pop it with me. I don't wanna fuck like where the sluts like where the topping bitches.